So the diet's going well then. Okay. Here's another box from my attic. I think I said in an earlier video that I'd cleared a lot of my train room to make room for an expecting arrival. And as the expected arrival is now doing his A-levels, time to get it back out again. So, what have we got? This is a German DB passenger car. And it's made by Rivarossi. Okay. I wonder where the box is. I wonder if I've got any boxes for them. Looks like another one in green. I must confess I'm not sure what the difference between the blue one and the green one is. Perhaps somebody would enlighten me. And okay. Don't know if anybody's been on one of these. This is a Mitropa Schlafwagen, or sleeping car, and don't know if you can see the interior. Yeah, looks reasonable. Again, I think this is I cannot see who manufactured it. I should have got my other glasses with me. Oh, and the same again, a Mitropa Schlafwagen. And another Deutsche Bahn passenger car. Again, it looks as if it's by Rivarossi, although I cannot see. Oh, no. Here's an interesting one. German passenger car for the, if I can get it right, Royal Court of Transport. Union flags front and aft. Passenger car with interior. I believe this was made by let me see. Yeah, it's part of the Roco mini tanks series. Yeah, I shall need to. I should admit, the roughing them in paper was a good idea, but because it stops them getting scratched. But sometimes over the 20 or so years that they've been in the attic, the paper sticks to the model. It's not the best of ideas, but okay. Fleischmann. 504 Deutsche Bahn passenger car. That's assuming it's in the right box. And same again, that was a blue one, that's a green one. I don't know what the difference between the two is. Is it a class, perhaps? And baggage wagon from the same set. And I've got, oh dear. Okay, I'll have to have a look to see why that's come loose. Gosh, and another one. If I can get into the box. Let's take this one out and have a proper look at it. Getting Contraband baggage wagon, or seem to be again by Fleischmann. And finally, another passenger car, again by Fleischmann, assuming it's in the right box. Oh, a little, is it a Black Anna that's called? Little industrial or little steam locomotive, 040. It almost looks as if that would be in the box the wrong way around, but maybe not. That's a Fleischmann 4000. A Piko, old goods wagon. What is that, a brake wagon with the lookout on top? Ducket, as we would say. Another Piko. I think actually I got a job lot of Piko at one stage. That's another goods wagon. I have to get used to holding the items level with regard to the camera instead of what I'm looking at. Oh, and a Piko locomotive. Let me see, an OSO. OSO with traction tires. I think there's a motor visible in the cab there, just about. Looks like it's got working lights. Or front light anyway. Yes, there's a motor. I can just see the coils in the cab. It's a BR55. Schicht. Pronounce it. I presume that's how you pronounce it. That's upside down across. Oh, and it's yet another passenger car. This is a shorter one. Deutsche Bahn. Made in the GDR, of course. Yeah, I think that came with the same, as the same job lot with the Picos. Then, finally, ooh, a Fleischmann 4130. This is a relatively new locomotive. 4130, it's a 282. Let's see if I can get this out. It hasn't moved, hasn't left its box for 20 odd years. It's not supposed to be there. Try not to smash it in the process. There we are. It's had quite a bit of running, not a massive amount, but again, working front and tail lights. Of course, all these Fleischmann locomotives are tender drive. I'm going to put this to one side so I don't break it putting it back in. And then finally, this is a Märklin in the wrong box. This is one of the solid, almost a toy German wine wagons. But it's good fun. And obviously I have cannibalized the wheels for something. And then finally, I found this in the attic, which was a little, oh, I've forgotten the name. Doesn't say it. I don't know who manufactures this, but this was a little German church. I bought this in Friedrichshafen. It's not like the church in Friedrichshafen, which has two domes and is far larger. But this was a nice little model to act as a souvenir of Friedrichshafen. My time in the south of Germany, or as I refer to it, as the south coast of Germany. Right, well, that's another box down. Hopefully somebody would find some of that interesting. Hopefully I'll get the camera angle right next time, so you know. I'll just have to suck things in a bit. Right, all the best. Bye.